What's worse than losing her? Losing yourself trying to keep her. You pour out your heart, silence your needs, and bend until you break. You bend, you give, you sacrifice, hoping it'll prove your love, hoping she'll see your worth. But instead, resentment festers. Respect slips away, and deep down you wonder, is this what love is supposed to feel like? I'm Wade, and I shattered my soul chasing Mara's love, thinking sacrifice proved my worth. It didn't. It erased me. I canceled plans, swallowed her jabs, and lost myself trying to please her. But the more I gave, the less she respected me. My heart broke, not because she didn't love me, but because I didn't respect myself. In the next few minutes, I'll share 7 Stoic boundaries that will make her see you, honor you, and love you, not as a shadow, but as a king. This isn't just a video. It's your rebirth. Don't miss it. Let's forge your Stoic reign. Today, I'm sharing 7 Stoic boundaries that will earn her deep respect, rooted in the ancient wisdom of Stoic philosophy, grounded in the psychology of love, and forged in the lessons of men like me who've learned to reign over chaos. This isn't about control or manipulation. It's about becoming the man she can't help but admire. A man who lives with purpose, not reactivity. It's about crafting your Stoic reign. Let's build your fortress of respect, one boundary at a time. Boundary 1, uphold your dignity against disrespect. Her sharp words cut deep. Is that even a real job? Mara once sneered about my coaching career. I used to swallow it, letting resentment simmer. But Stoicism for women demands you stand firm. Seneca said, "No one can take what you don't give. Disrespect only thrives if you allow it." When Mara jabbed again, I looked her in the eyes and said, "My work is my purpose. Don't dismiss it." When she scoffed, I stepped back. No calls, no texts, for a day. She apologized, her tone softer, her respect clear. This isn't about ultimatums. It's about signaling. My worth is non-negotiable. Here's your Stoic practice. For 7 days, spot one moment of disrespect, a dismissive comment, a sarcastic tone. Visualize a fortress around your dignity and say, "My value is sacred." State your boundary clearly. I don't accept that tone. If she pushes back, take space, calmly, not angrily. Journal. Did standing firm shift her respect? If you waver, whisper, "I am enough." This Stoicism mindset habit builds a foundation of self-improvement. You're not begging for respect, you're designing it. Boundary 2. Protect your energy from overgiving. I used to answer Mara's late-night calls, even when I was drained, resenting her for stealing my peace. Stoicism for women teaches that your energy is your power. If you pour it out endlessly, you dim your own light. Epictetus said, "You become what you give your attention to." I told Mara, "I need my evenings to recharge. Let's talk tomorrow." When she pushed, I silenced my phone. She adjusted, valuing my calm presence. This boundary isn't selfish, it's sacred. A man who guards his energy radiates strength. Try this Stoic practice. For 7 days, reserve 1 hour daily for yourself. No interruptions. Visualize a shield around your energy and say, "My peace is mine." When she demands your time, say, "I'm unavailable now, but I'm here later." Journal. Did protecting your energy make you feel stronger? If you slip, repeat, "I guard my core." This Stoicism practice fuels your Stoic reign, ensuring you show up as a man of depth, not depletion. Boundary 3. Preserve your depth with restraint. I used to overshare my stress with Mara, spilling every doubt, hoping it'd bring us closer. Instead, she pulled away, overwhelmed. Stoicism for women values mystery over chaos. Seneca said, "Light is diminished when scattered." I started choosing my words carefully. One night, instead of venting, I said, I'm navigating some challenges, but I'm steady. Mara leaned in, drawn to my quiet strength. Restraint isn't hiding, it's curating your essence, making your words a privilege. Here's your Stoic practice. For 7 days before sharing, ask, does this reveal my strength? Visualize a veil around your depth and say, my essence is earned. Share one focused thought instead of a flood. Journal. Did restraint amplify her respect? If you overshare, pause and say, I keep my depth. This Stoicism relationships habit magnetizes her to your centered presence, a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Boundary 4. Command your calm. Amid chaos, Mara's vague, frustrating texts used to spark my anger. I'd snap back, and her respect faded. Stoicism for women demands you rule your heart, not her actions. Epictetus said, happiness lies in ceasing to worry about what you cannot control. I started pausing, 10 deep breaths before responding. One day I texted, I'm here when you're ready to be clear. Mara opened up saying my calm felt like a safe harbor. Calm isn't weakness, it's power. It's the silence that speaks louder than any shout. Try this Stoic practice. For 7 days when triggered, pause for 10 breaths. Visualize an anchor grounding your calm and say, I rule my heart. Respond with poise, not reactivity. Journal. Did your calm command her respect? If you react, reset with, I choose peace. This Stoicism motivation habit reduces anxiety, carving a path to mindfulness in love. Boundary 5. Choose your worth. Overpleasing Mara's repeated cancellations wore me down. I'd accept it, resentment boiling, thinking love meant endurance. Stoicism for women says otherwise. Your worth is your anchor. Seneca said, you have power over your mind, not events. I told Mara, I need reliability, or I'll step back. When she flaked again, I distanced myself. No drama, just resolve. She committed, her respect mirroring my strength. This boundary isn't rejection, it's reclamation. You teach her how to value you by valuing yourself. Here's your Stoic practice. For 7 days, notice when you're tempted to please at your expense. Visualize walking away from disrespect and say, I am enough. Enforce a boundary. I need consistency, or I'll focus elsewhere. Journal. Did choosing your worth spark her respect? If you cling, repeat, I choose me. This Stoicism on love habit builds a life of unshakable value. Boundary 6. Honor. Her silence as her strength. Sometimes her love doesn't shout, it whispers. She doesn't flood you with words or chase your approval. She's present, steady. Her silence, a sign of trust. Stoicism for women reveals that her quiet isn't distance, it's depth. Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. When Mara grew quiet, I used to panic thinking she was pulling away, but I learned to ask, what's alive in you right now? Her answers revealed a love deeper than words, a love that trusted my presence. Honoring her silence isn't passivity, it's partnership. It's seeing her strength in what she doesn't say. Here's your Stoic practice. For 7 days, notice her quiet moments. Instead of filling the space, ask, what's on your heart? Visualize a bridge of trust and say, her silence is sacred. Journal. Did honoring her silence deepen your connection? If you push, pause and say, I trust her strength. This Stoic Reign habit fosters Stoicism relationships that thrive on mutual respect. Boundary 7. Love her journey, not just her destination. She's not perfect. She's growing just like you. Stoicism for women teaches that true love embraces her evolution, the woman she's becoming, not just the one she is today. When Mara doubted herself, I used to try to fix her, thinking it'd prove my love. But Epictetus said, you are a spark of truth. I started saying, I see you growing and I'm here for it. She told me later that my belief in her journey made her feel unstoppable, Loving her process isn't settling, it's sacred. It's choosing her spark over her shine. Try this Stoic practice. For 7 days, notice a moment she's struggling or growing. Say, "I love who you're becoming." Visualize her spark and say, "Her journey is enough." Share a small doubt of your own to show you're in it together. Journal. Did loving her journey strengthen her respect? If you judge, reset with, "I honor her growth." This Stoic philosophy habit builds a love that endures, rooted in self-improvement for both of you. Respect is your design. Love is your reign. Respect isn't a gift you beg for. It's a fortress you build. Love isn't a chase. It's a presence you embody. These 7 boundaries, upholding dignity, protecting energy, preserving depth, commanding calm, choosing worth, honoring her silence, and loving her journey, are your Stoic mosaic. They're not just rules. They're a way of life, a testament to Stoicism for women that transforms resentment into reverence, chaos into clarity. I was broken, giving everything to Mara only to lose myself. Now I stand centered, my boundaries a mirror for her respect. She doesn't just love me, she honors me, because I honor myself. Imagine a month from now, your dignity unshakable, your energy radiant, your calm a beacon. She looks at you differently, not with need, but with awe. You're not reacting, not pleading, not chasing. You're the man Marcus Aurelius described, strong enough to need no one, wise enough to cherish someone. Stoicism for women isn't loud, it's sacred. It's the quiet power of a man who designs his respect and reigns in his love. If this stirred something deep in you, if you feel a spark of awakening, a call to stand taller, don't let it fade. Lock it in. Join our Stoic Reign community, where men and women forge Stoicism. Mindset, emotional strength, and unshakable love. Not as a tactic, but as a legacy. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. A friend? A brother? A soul searching for clarity? In the comments, tell me, which boundary hit you hardest? Which one will you set today? This isn't just a moment, it's your transformation. You're not here to please or prove, you're here to reign. Start now. Set one boundary. Feel your power. This is your Stoic Reign. Let's rise together.